Here we are back at Extreme Motor Sales again, here with the Rover 200. It's the Rover 200 golf cart. It's fuel injected, no more carburation, fuel injection. Cup holders, tilt steering, emergency brake, forward, neutral, reverse. You have a LED spotlight, you have high beams, you have turn signals, hazard lights, you have a charging port, you have 2 USBs. You have a little glove compartment. There's storage underneath the seat. It's lifted, upgraded rims and tires. You have the LED rear taillights, the slim taillights. Quiet, it's not going to annoy your neighbors. But here is the Rover 200 EFI fuel injected here at Extreme Motor Sales. Stop in and see it.